Hi guys, welcome back to another Scout the Defender YouTube video, and I hope you've all had a really great Christmas. Now, if you're anything like me, your Christmas wish list would have been full of loads of Land Rover parts. Well, I was lucky enough to get some of those for Christmas, and I'm going to be unboxing them today and giving you a walk around of some of the parts that I'm going to be fitting to Scout over the next few videos. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Also subscribe if you haven't already, because I've got loads of plans for the new year to really push this channel, and I'm really excited to show you kind of some of the things that I've got in the works. So please subscribe and also give the video a like, because it really helps me out. I'm really hoping to grow this channel in the new year. So now we'll get stuck into unboxing some of the gifts that I was given for Christmas for the Landy. Right, so I don't even know where to start. I've got loads of really exciting things that are going to be fitting to Scout, and these were all kind of on my Christmas list, and thankfully Santa delivered. So let's have a little look at what we've got. We'll put some of these things to the side and we'll open up some of the boxes. So the first thing we've got here are some new, I've already opened this because I was too excited to have a look, but we have some new wing mirror arms. The ones that I've had on the Defender have gone really crusty, they look really shabby, so I'm really excited to get these fitted. So just brick part replacements, but they should really tidy up the front of the Defender. And I'm going to be pairing those with some new wing mirror, or wing mirrors themselves. So if I open this box up, here we have some new wing mirrors. But these ones are actually painted, so painted in the gloss paint. So they'll look a lot better than the kind of crusty, scabby, old plastic trimmed wing mirrors that I have at the moment. So again, just tidying up the front of the car, and they'll look really great. I've seen them on quite a few people's trucks, and they just smarten up the whole front, and I think they'll be a real great addition. So yeah, wing mirror arms and also some new wing mirrors themselves. The next thing on the list is a new interior light for Scout. So in both the front and the rear, I've got the standard Defender lights, but they're not actually that bright. They're a real warm yellow and they don't actually illuminate much of the cabin. So I've got some new lights to fit, which will hopefully brighten them up. These are from Mud UK. If I open these up, they're really smart. So we've got two lights there. So we've got, obviously they'll open, or they'll turn on as the door opens, and you can obviously control that. But there's also red light and a white light as well. And these are, looking online, much brighter than the originals. So they'll really help to light up the cabin. So we've got that. That should be plug and play, a really easy install, hopefully. He says, nothing's ever easy on a Defender. We've also got a light plinth. So for the rear, you have to have the light plinth to fit the light. So that will mount up into the roof to be able to mount that mud light into it, so that will look really smart. And then the final thing we've got, which I'm really excited to fit, are some mud spats. So again, I've already had a little look, I couldn't help myself. These are mud spats for the front and the rear of the Defender, so they'll stop the mud flicking up. Normally on the Defender, you have it flick up from the rear of the wheel. Even though you've got the mud guards, it'll flick up the side of the car, all over the hinges. That should try and prevent a little bit of that. And I also just think they give a bit more of an aggressive stance to the side of the Defender. So I'm really excited to be fitting those. So there's the fronts and those are the rears. And I'll show you just kind of, I'll offer those up now and just show you what those would look like. But these are just, again, you just need to drill into the sill, and then those will just pop rivet on, and those will look really smart. So I'll just show you what those will look like now. So I just thought I'd show you what those will look like when they're offered up. So this is obviously the front one, I won't show you the back one just yet, but those will pop rivet on just there, and they'll stop all of this mud that flicks up the side. And I think also they just look really smart, and they kind of make this side slightly more aggressive. So those will be a really nice addition. I'm still tempted to maybe paint them body colour, but might just see how we go with that. So those will be fitted, which I'm really excited about. So there we have it, guys. Those are just some of the things that are on my Christmas wish list. I'm really excited to get those fitted, so be sure to subscribe to kind of watch those modifications unfold, and that'll be the next series of videos. Also be sure to subscribe because 2022 is going to be a big year for the channel. I've got loads of big plans, whether that's attending shows, going on road trips, or even more modifications. So please be sure to subscribe to continue to follow the journey. I'm really excited for the channel. Also be sure to give this video a like and also drop a comment. That really helps me out, and I'm also really excited to hear your ideas of what you'd like to see on the channel. And I'll be sure to see you in the next video.